I hope you all are fine. So, after so long, I am live with you here. So, I hope you all are doing absolutely amazing. As promised, today we will be discussing a lot of things about Germany lifestyles, and so many questions which you have guys asked me. So, are you guys ready? And I am waiting. So let more people join and then we'll start with a questionnaire. So if you also have some question, you can ask me and we both will try to answer all your questions. Hi, hello. Please just comment your all the questions, all the queries about Germany lifestyles and Germany things, so that we can take over your questions after the live session Q&A. And yeah, these all questions are also yours demanding question. I hope you all will absolutely will love these questions, and this will solve all your queries. And one more thing, if you are not following me on Instagram, then please right now follow me. And yeah, let's get started. So let me join this. Okay, Suraj, I have given you the request. Please do accept it so that we can go on air and yeah, we can discuss it. Please do comment all your questions. We are waiting for your questions, and at the end of this live session, we will try to answer as much questions as we can. Suraj, can you see my request? I have invited you, so please do accept it so that we can start the live session video. So yeah, here I am with a lot of questions on the screen. So I'm super excited because you guys love the Q&A sessions, the Q&A series, which I have started on German Gyan YouTube channel. So I think so. Okay. He has given me the request. Let me accept it. Suraj, please, I have given you an invite. Can you please see it and accept it, because I am unable to join you. Suraj. Suraj, can you please come live once again with us? And guys, tomorrow new video is also coming, so please stay tuned. And we'll be discussing a lot of things tomorrow. Tomorrow, basically, the new video will be about how to be master in A2. I think so. Hi, Suraj, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Am I? I'm fine. I'm fine. Cold in Germany, right?
Yeah. Right now I'm in Germany and currently I'm student here pursuing my master. And yeah, and you teach German and you have your this German Gyan channel, right?
Yes.
I think we know each other from last 2, 3 years. At that time, last time we were trying to collab, but we didn't get
But
time.
we couldn't, because I think so, because of the time issue or something. I really don't remember
Yeah,
that thing. Okay,
yeah,
fine. So are you ready to answer all the questions?
of course, for sure.
Okay. First of all, please do let me know your experience in Germany, because what you experience like when you have shifted there. Tell me a little story about
This
yourself.
is like awesome. I came here in 2019, and it was like I had this dream of coming to Germany.
Okay.
So the best part to enter Germany is being a student. Like if you are a student, if you come here to study, that is the best part. Because if you directly apply for jobs from India, it is a bit difficult. So I chose will pursue my masters, and after that, I will get job here and settle here. So I came in 2019 April, and I started studying here, and the life was easy until now. I have really good experiences. Like I have bad experiences as well, good experiences as well. But if you compare, like anywhere you go, in any country, if you are in Germany or if you are in India, you will face good
Of
situation,
course,
bad
that's
situation.
the life.
So overall, till my experience, like it's good and we do very good. And the most important thing, as you teach German, so this is the first thing. Like if you are planning, like anyone from your subscriber or anyone who is watching here, so first thing is German. If you know German, life is very easy, very. And if
There
you
is a particular level they should know of German, B1, A2, A1.
Yeah. Like Initially, if you are planning to come here, B1 level is enough. At least you can understand basics and you can easily communicate. Not that fluent, but yeah, B1 level. If people
Okay.
here, they should at least have B1 level.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fine. Fine. So let's start with a question here.
yeah, yeah.
So the first question is basically why German life is expected more remarkable to comparison to other European countries.
Okay, so if you compare, like if you are comparing Schengen countries, the first thing is in the end, money matters. So here in Germany, pay is really good as compared to other European countries. If
Yes.
I am here, so I see many of the Bulgarian companies working here. So they are also part of European Union, but the thing is they are getting more pay here. That's why. First
Okay.
is about the pay, and second thing is job opportunities.
Okay.
Country needs people. Like here, manpower is not so large, and so here requirement of people is so much. That's why, as compared to other European countries, here job opportunities are more. And so yeah, if you are comparing with the other countries, Germany is best. Like other European countries.
These are the I think so main
Two main
comparison.
job opportunities is very high here, and if you complete the criteria, like German, you should have some skill like IT skill, or you have done your bachelor's back in India, and like yeah, in the end, German. If you know German, like you will get job very easily here.
Okay. Okay. So the next question is how is the life of Indian student in Germany? Because most of the people have a dream like you. They want to travel Germany, they want to settle there, they have to study there. So how Indian student have life in Germany?
Indian student life is like if I think when what people think there who are sitting in India that life is very easy. We will go to Germany, we will earn, we will do part-time jobs, and so it's not easy. First thing, if you are coming here, if you come from like medium family, like medium class family. So what I think is people come here if they are thinking from there like I will work, I will earn money, I will study also. Like meanwhile, studying and working part-time work is not possible. First thing.
Okay.
So for an Indian student, like it is hard, but if you manage things like, for example, if you study, there is ferrying that is called semester ferrying. So after
Okay.
winter summer semester, if you work for 2 months or 3 months, it is very easy to survive. And if you can survive like again, it depends on the your city, which city you are in. So for
Okay.
an student, if he is going to a big city, so he will not be able to like he will spend obviously more money. As same as in our case, like if you are living in Bombay and as compared to if you live in any small town, something like that. So again, it depends. And for an Indian student, if we talk about the other things, like he has to be hardworking. If he comes here and if he's only thinking like I will like party and most of the people have this thing and enjoy a room around. So it's not easy. Like first thing is like coming here it is difficult, and if you once come here, like living your life is very difficult. But yeah, if you are hardworking, so that's everything is easy for you.
Actually, more or less, people think because they have the thinking mindset that all the students may give this review that whenever they go to Germany, they will be like very easily they will be getting part-time jobs and with studies they can do it. But thanks for telling the truth because people have this myth in their mind, which is
Yeah.
absolutely unfair for everyone.
This is the truth, and most of the people who are, who are like I say consultant, most of them they don't give the proper information. They just tell you, okay, go there. They send you, they will send you, and after that they will say, okay, no, you have to survive there. That's it.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so the next question is, how can I survive life in Germany and lead a happy, healthy life?
If you talk about healthy life, like it is so easy. Like if you think here you will come, you will always like most of the people, everyone is non-vegetarian here. You don't get you get veg vegetarian food, but first thing is you should know cooking. If you know cooking, then you can like
Survive.
survive very easily. First thing is if you are planning to come here, you should know cooking because if you think that I will eat in restaurant or something, so you will not get good food.
And it will be, I think so, more costly also.
Costly also. And again, like small town, big town, if you can get easily
Yes.
tasty food in big towns, but if you talk about small towns, no, you will not get Indian food,
At
good
all.
food for cheap price. You have to pay a lot of money for that. Yeah.
Okay.
And for
Uh,
healthy life, if you talk, there are supermarkets. Like if you buy things, they are so cheap, and you can also survive just for 100 euros per month.
okay.
100 euros is more than enough if you want to, if you know cooking and everything, you can survive easily.
Okay, fine. Okay, so the next question is, what is like to study in Germany for foreign student?
For foreign student studying, see again, if you are planning to pursue here like bachelor's, masters. So if you talk about bachelor's, there is like I have made a separate video for this. If you want to pursue bachelor's, like there is a Feststellungsprüfung (FSP), and there is one more thing that is called Ausbildung. For that, again, German requirement. Like if you have your B2 or C1 level, you can directly come here on the basis of your Ausbildung. Ausbildung is kind of thing. Most of the people don't know about this thing. What is Ausbildung? Ausbildung, in which they train you as well as they pay you. Suppose
Okay,
5 days work. So 3 days, 5 days you have to go to the company. 3 days you have to work, and 2 days they'll teach you. This is called
oh,
Ausbildung. So for that also they pay and everything. And this was the one concept. If the students are planning just after 12th, they can give FS as a Feststellungsprüfung exam. And after that, it is student colleague. And so in student colleague, if they get good marks, they will directly get admission to any bachelor's program. And this is tuition free. German universities don't charge anything.
yes. They're zero tuition fee.
Yeah, zero tuition fee. And if you talk about management and all other fields, there are very, very less universities which don't charge fee, tuition fee.
Okay,
But if you go in the technical terms, like for engineering and all, for medical, and for all these things, they will not charge anything. Tuition fee is free, like zero tuition fee. And for
okay,
master, if you have very good bachelor's percentage, like if you have more than 70% and just A2 level or B1 level in German, you can get easily admission here.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next question is, as we have already discussed about city, so what is the best city in Germany to stay and to save their money?
Okay, if you talk about the best city, there is nothing like best city, like to be honest, because if you talk in terms of money, Berlin, I would suggest
Any
Berlin.
best city you want to say?
Berlin. I would suggest Berlin. Reason being, like you can get it's cheap first of all. Like you don't have to pay much amount. And on the other hand, if you go to the south part, like München, there you get a Wohnung, that is apartment, just
Okay,
for like 500, 600 euros. And in Berlin, if know people, if you there are different Facebook groups on which you can post like, okay, I need this Wohnung and I'm new in Germany. So people get just for 300 or like 250. If, the guy or girl, she is ready to share or he's ready to share with someone any apartment. So they just like it's very cheap. Like you can just get for 200 or 300 euros in Berlin. And for the best city, I think Berlin is the best city because everything is cheap and you have a lot of opportunities. You meet very new people. And if you talk about the international city, if you want to meet new people, second city I would suggest is Frankfurt.
okay,
Frankfurt.
Frankfurt.
Frankfurt, it's an international city, and there also you meet new people, and there are a lot of opportunities. Job opportunities are most as compared to Berlin in Frankfurt, and you get good pay. It depends on state to state how much amount they will pay you on the basis of your degree. Like if you are having bachelor's degree, they will pay you more than again depends from state to state, 48,000, 50,000 euros per year. Apart from
Okay,
that. Yeah. So it's like that. For me, best city is first is Berlin, and second is Frankfurt, and a big no for Munich, but because it is very costly, very costly.
Okay, Munich is most, I think so,
Yeah,
most.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the next question is, tell me about the stay. Like when you went to Germany, because most of the student I have listened that they have having problem that where should we stay in the starting period when we shift to the Germany.
Yeah, yeah. So this is like I have also made a separate video for this, and if you are in your starting days, fine. First thing is when a student directly comes, don't book your apartment from India,
Yeah.
because if you book apartment from India, there are chances of getting fraud. Because yeah, this is very normal here. So if you are coming from India, the first thing what I will suggest is book a hotel,
Hostel.
hostel or hotel. Like hostel is cheap, obviously. So book a hostel, and there is one term, Jugendherberger.
Okay.
These are the hostels which are very cheap. Like when I came starting in 2019, I paid around 80, 70 euros for 5 days or something in starting. Then I searched the Wohnung, the apartment in the city, and then I got the apartment very cheap, because when you come for the first time, you will meet people from your university, and
Yes.
you want cheap Wohnung, like so you meet people, you tell them, okay, we can share the apartment. And when you know people, because in starting when you come directly, when you book from there, it is very costly, and you will not, they'll give you a volume for single person, so that will be costly. So if you come here for 5 days or 10 days, stay in a hostel, search for the volume, like search for the apartment in your city, try to find the people, try to post your queries, and yeah, when you post your queries on Facebook and all, you meet new people, and you really get anyone who will be sharing your, like, who can share the apartment with you, so it will be cheap, obviously.
Okay, so in basically in Germany, people do share their Wohnungs, their home,
Yeah.
and they survive like that. There is a basic requirement. This is a normal thing, right?
Yes, exactly. And for that, like, there is also, I don't know exactly, like, you have to do the city registration as well, but that is like the Ausländer Behörde, the visa office gives you time for that. Like, you, in 15 days or 10 days, you have to do your city registration. City registration means once you come here, urgent, and like as soon as possible, you have to get an apartment. The Vermieterin, the landlord of the apartment, will give you a Mietvertrag, that is called rent agreement. On that rent agreement, you have to show to visa office, so that
Okay.
you are registered in that particular city.
Okay, got it. This is the most important point because some of the people will be not aware of this.
Exactly.
Okay, so second last question for you is, do we get easily Indian food there if some people are going and
Yeah. India, if you talk about Indian food, like obviously we get easily here Indian food, and but you are living in a small town. If you get any university, for example, if you are getting university in Hof, or if you are getting university in other small town, it is difficult to get Indian food. But if you are in Frankfurt, Berlin, or somewhere else, you really get good Indian food at low prices in big cities. Like I
oh,
had my Indian meal here for the first time in Berlin just for 10 euros. Like 10 euros, you get a full good meal. So according to
okay.
Germany, like in 10 euros, you get a good Indian meal.
So what will be your suggestion for the people who or the student who are coming to Germany? So should they bring the stuffs which they come like eatable stuffs for India?
No, no, no. Don't like. Yeah, I did this thing, like I bought everything new when I came here, like pots and utensils and everything. Please don't do this. Everything is available here. Everything is available for the same price, not too much. Like suppose if you get in India just for uh, 2 euro, like suppose if I talk about pressure cooker, if you get there for like 400 rupees or 500 rupees. Pressure cooker, yeah, sorry. Pressure cooker is the most important thing you should bring. Sorry. Pressure cooker. Apart from that, no utensils, no glasses, no plates, nothing. Just pressure cooker is the most important. That is the only thing you will be surviving with that pressure cooker in Germany. Just pressure cooker, that's it. Apart from that, no need to bring utensils, glasses. Everything is available here. And when you get the apartment, you get all the utensils. They provide you.
Okay.
Yes, they provide you everything. So no need to bring anything. Just if you are, if you want to cook early and everything, just fast. If you are studying and if you are not able to manage your work and study, so pressure cooker is must. Just to whistle and complete.
This was very nice. Okay, so the last question is normal cost to live a happy life in Germany. How much is a normal and a
Normal.
cost?
If you are normal, it's not more than 400 euros, I would say. 400 euros. I am also including your insurance. One who is in Germany, he has to pay insurance for, if he's a student, he has to pay 107 euros per month. And if you are not a student, if you are working here, then he has to pay around, like if you're working here, you have to pay double the amount, double 200 or 250 euros of insurance. And
Yes.
yeah, that's it. Like 400 euros is more than enough for, I'm talking about this for normal cities, not Munich or not big cities. If you go, and again, it depends on person to person. Like if he really wants to save money, so he can just survive on 100 euros for food and 300 euros for rent and other expenses and all that.
Everything and exploring and everything.
Yeah, 400 euros. And because if you talk about also the traveling part, if you're a student here, then you get a card from the university, which states that it covers the whole state. For example, if you are in Baden-Württemberg, if you are in Hessen, if your university is in Hessen, for example, if you are studying in Frankfurt University, if you are in Hessen, so you will get a card, so you can travel in the whole state just with that student card. So I
Okay.
think you save money for your transportation.
Okay.
So 400 euros is more than a 4 to 500 euros. Yeah, and if you are staying in a big city, then obviously the amount goes up to 700 like that.
Okay. So I have listened that 240 euros is enough to survive in 1 month. So is that true?
Yes, it again depends. It is true because even I personally, if I say you, like you have to be in Hindi, you call it जुगाड़ू. अगर आप जुगाड़ू हैं, तो you can survive in 250 euros. और जुगाड़ू
Okay.
क्योंकि I survived. I paid my rent around 100 euros. I was sharing an apartment with one guy. It was a very small apartment, and the monthly expense was 250 euros. Everything covered. 250 to 300 euros. You can easily. But if you are staying in a small town, that is the condition.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for all the answers. And please do let all the people know that what all blogs or video you make so that they can subscribe you, of course.
Please. I make videos about studying in Germany, if I go travel and everything about Germany. Like I also make blogs. I also help students who are coming to Germany because, I started all these things because I saw people who are coming to Germany. They don't know much. They simply spend their money on consultant. They'll pay lakhs of rupees. One of my friends who has paid around 1 lakh rupee. Can you believe it? Like 1 lakh rupee just for coming here. And even though he just got admission in a German institute.
Oh.
The consultant told him like, okay, I'll send you Germany. And he simply talked here with a German institute here in Germany. He charged.
Okay.
Here also he is paying a big amount for learning German. And he paid to the consultant as well. Same as in the case of bachelors or masters. Like here, if you apply wisely and if you are applying to the government university, if people know that, okay, there are universities which don't charge tuition fee. So apply by yourself, like try finding the information. And when you apply by yourself, you will get, if you have good grades, first thing, if you have good German, apply at the correct time, you will definitely get admission here. Yeah.
Fine. So please do tell the name of your channel, and I will be putting the link in description, of course.
Sure, sure. So my channel name is the Jat Sahab Vlogs, and I make lifestyle video, I make travel videos, as well as I make videos related to studying in Germany. Like if you want to come here and if you face any queries related to study part or related to your accommodation part or related to your stay or anything. So you can directly contact me. You can text me on Insta. You can text me on Messenger. Insta ID, I think you will write in the description. This is my Insta. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, so guys, please don't forget to subscribe on his YouTube channel. Plus, do follow him, of course, on Instagram. So both I will be putting the link in description. Thank you so much, Suraj, for joining me. It was amazing to get so many answers. Of course, so many students have got their queries solved. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
So I will be doing more and more collabs in future. So thank you so much for joining today.
Okay. Yeah.
Cheers.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so let me answer more and more questions which I'm having. Let me scroll up. So yeah. Okay, do we have job in Bangalore? Yes, of course, for B1 jobs are available in Bangalore. Do let me know what exactly you do. I will let you know. Can you ping me the company names? I cannot give you the company names. I can only forward your CVs to the companies if they are having the proper requirements which you have. If they get the same thing in your CV, then I will let you know. In fact, the company will directly let you know. How is the job opportunity software field in Germany? Karthik, it's like beyond expectations. The opportunities are so much, especially in software in IT field. And okay, lockdown and pandemic times, how the jobs intake for techniques. You can easily sit here and get your jobs in Germany, so you don't have to worry for that. Just go for that, and absolutely you will be loving all the things. Next, I also want some insights on how to get on job seeker visa. I have created the whole video on this topic, so please do watch that on my YouTube channel German Gyan. You can find the link in description also. I can explain about you. Okay. I am A2 in German. Please do till B1. Then only you can find a job in India as well as in Germany. Okay. Anything else? Do you guys have any other question? SBJ Media Display. This is basically for people who understand German, English, and all the language. That's why we started in English. If you want in Hindi, then next Q&A session, of course, मैं हिंदी में करूँगी for you, so don't worry. Okay, any more questions? Let me see, and if not, yeah, Suraj is from Germany. He is right now in Germany. How to prepare for JNU and EFU? I will not suggest to prepare for JNU and EFU because of the market rate of JNU has been decreased. So I never recommend JNU. Okay. How can we apply for job in India? Any portal? There are a lot of portal. Plus, I have created the whole video on this. If you want the link, you can DM me on Instagram. So absolutely, you can go forward and watch that video. I have explained in detail. And if you want any other query, please do let me know, as I always come live on every Tuesday at 2 p.m. So do let me know. Okay, next question is, does it make a difference if I apply for German from India versus applying job in Germany? Is it a huge difference? So what you want to ask? You are asking if you apply a German job from India or you are applying while you are Germany. Then how you will go to Germany? What visa you will take? Because without having a job right now, visa you will not get easily. So please do get your job sitting at India, get the offer letter, and then fly to Germany. That will be absolutely amazing. If you know, please tell Ritika what you want to ask. I'm not getting a question. maybe I have missed, so please do let me know. How much is the cost for job seeker visa? Does it require sponsorship? How long does it take? Costing you have to give to German embassy. If you want, I can tell you in detail. Sponsorship, not at all. How long this take? You just have to get the interview date, and after that, into whenever you get, after 7 days, you will get the visa. So, which university I take admission? What you exactly want to do? Are you planning to learn Germany? You want to fly Germany? You want jobs in India? What exactly you want to do? According to that, you can plan. If you want to talk with me in detail, please do DM me. Yes, of course, Ritika, it is going on. For I think so. For work from home is also going on, so it totally depends which you get actually. So I think so that's it for today's guys. See you in the next live session. If you liked it, then please do comment me that I will be coming more and more with the experienced people and the people who are living there so that they can tell your experience and they can help you. So see you in the next video and tomorrow, guys, please stay tuned. A new video is coming up on German Gyan, so at 4 p.m. So stay tuned. If you want to get a master, if you want to become the master in A2 level, then please, please watch it. So of course, stay tuned and thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. See you all in the next session, next live session video. Please don't forget to subscribe German Gyan plus the Jat Sahab YouTube channel and same on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me, German Gyan 1 and the Jat Sahab. I will be putting link in description. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Cheers.